Hey there, this is Tina, your trainer on the Empowered Applicant Newcomer segment. Today, I'll guide you step by step on completing Canada's IMM5744 form in 2 minutes and few seconds. The IMM5744 is called Consent for an Access to Information and Personal Information Request, so you can quote the information as IMM5744 or spell it out as a full statement. Let's get to it. There is a disclosure that is binding on you which reads, by signing this form you authorize IRCC to release your information to the designated representative. Only original handwritten signatures signed in blue ink will be accepted. Missing signatures may delay the processing of your request. So once you are okay with this disclosure, you will start with Section 1. Fill in your designated representative information, personal details like your last name, first name, organization, city, phone number, and other telephone. Next, use Section 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4 to complete applicant information and additional family member or applicant who applied with you or is planning to do so. Remember, it is a must to indicate who you're authorizing, either an individual or an organization, and provide their details to SADAL. Remember to read the statement below the section about validity of the form from the date it was signed. It reads thus: this consent is valid for 1 year from the date appearing next to the applicant's signature. Finally, signature corners as it applies to you and accompanying applicant. Don't forget to sign manually in blue ink. No electronic or PDF signatures will be accepted. Double check everything before you submit. One more thing to add relates to page 2 of the IMM5744E. Ensure you read instructions for the ATIP consent form thoroughly. Note also that submitting a properly completed consent form with your request helps to prevent delays. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment feed and I shall respond to it. And hey, if this helped you, hit subscribe, like and share for more tips on your immigration journey. Turn on the post notification to be aware of the next posts coming after. Good luck!